darlings, and welcome back here to my channel, and welcome to yet another packing with me video, because I am traveling again, and this time it's for a special occasion because my best friend Teddy, which you saw in the Paris vlog, she's getting married. So we're gonna have two weddings. One is going to be in Bulgaria, which is gonna be the proper signing, and the other one is going to be the most exciting one. It's going to be in Greece, so I have to pack for two weddings and also an overall stay of about 2 weeks. So that's gonna be a difficult task, and that's why I'm filming it, so we can do it together. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So today I'll do exactly what I have done before, and that's talk to myself in front of you and decide what we need at the moment. So first of all, I'm probably going to be traveling with something comfortable because I'm going with a big suitcase this time, and I'll be traveling with my Adenoa set, which you have probably already seen the review of from my previous video if you haven't, go and watch it. But yes, traveling in my Adenoa set because it's comfortable and it's cute. For a something on top, I'm thinking maybe to get my blazer with me. It's too much of the same color, but I can pop on a nice white belt around it. Or not, I might just travel like this. Also, I have sunglasses that I have just bought. Also, another purchase that I've recently made are those Prada sunglasses. They are from the Symbolic collection. Really nice, very trendy, and I feel like it's going to just complete the outfit, so I might just travel with them on me. I love it. We'll see what shoes I'm going to wear because now I have only my socks on, but overall I feel like that's an appropriate airport look. So we have that one already planned, so let's go on to the bridesmaid slash maid of honor dresses and everything that I need to pack, just so I don't forget it. Right, so if you haven't seen it, this is going to be my maid of honor dress. I have already worn it to my cousin's wedding. I haven't even properly buttoned it up, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's amazing. It was just sewn to whatever I wanted, and that's what I liked. So I'm going to pair the dress with my pearl high heels because I feel like it's going to be the cutest combination ever. Also, previously I wore just simple beige heels on which I couldn't walk, and after an hour I had to just put on some flats. And if this starts hurting, I'll just have my Vivaya shoes with me as well, just in case, because they're the most comfortable ones and I feel like it's gonna look okay with the dress. But for the pictures, I'm gonna go with these high heels. Second bridesmaid outfit is this one. It's just a simple t-shirt that I got. For me it says bridesmaid, on Teddy's it says bride, so they're really cute and I feel like we can make really nice pictures. But also I'll be using it as a pajama top. I just sleep in this one, that's what I did in Paris, and that's what I'm gonna do over on this holiday as well. And for the photos, I'll probably pair it with my Djerf Avenue shorts, the pink and white strappy ones. They're just so cute. Even if I leave it like this, I feel very cute. Or I can just like tuck it in, roll it. We're gonna figure it out on the spot. We're gonna have ropes as well, but this I definitely need to take along. And the shorts, I'll just wear them to the beach, to the, I don't know, to walk around the villa as well, because we're going to be in an Airbnb probably. I think so. So yeah, that's another bridesmaid outfit. Other things that I'm going to be taking with me are the bikini suits that I have showed you in one of the previous videos, but also this cover-up, which is actually pretty cute. So what do we think? I think it's actually pretty cute, even though last times that I took this with me I never actually wore it, but I can just throw it on and go to the beach easily, and I feel like it's not gonna take much space, so why not take it along? So I think that's what I'm taking. The 3 sets of bikini suits that I have showed you in the previous videos, and this cute cover-up. Now this is definitely an outfit that I love, and I think it's going to be very appropriate for Greece. And it looks really nice because both the top and the trousers are from the same collection. They are made from the exactly same fabric, and it's a very cute combination. I have just paired them with my Vivaya flats because I'm taking along at least one pair. I feel like I might take the blue heeled ones as well, but we'll see. And yeah, that's a really cute one that I'm definitely packing because you can mix and match it with everything else that I have and it's going to look fantastic. And we have a full-on outfit for this one. I am wondering if I should get this bag actually. I'm definitely taking with me the white Coach bag. This is another Coach one, but it's in baby blue and it's really cute, so I think I might take it because it's not heavy and it's not going to take that much space. But this outfit, it's really cute actually. We have the Levi's shoes again, the Zara shorts, Djerf Avenue shirt, and that's just a hat from H&M from 2 years ago, last year, something like this, which is a little bit bent because I have taken it with me to so many trips, so it's been in my luggage so many times, and now it's going to go again because I cannot go to the beach or to the pool without a hat. So yeah, I'm taking along this one, but the actual outfit, I am loving it. I actually really like it. I don't know why I never pair these shorts with this shirt. I actually like it a lot. And with a little pop of color with the Coach bag. Changing it up for a little bit more colorful outfit, and it's something that I've probably already shown you before, but I really like combining basics, especially the ones from Zara. This one is from Zara. I have it in green and also in beige, and I can just pair it with literally any bottoms that I have at the moment, so it works out really well. It has an opening at the back. This skirt is 100% linen, so if I'm going to Greece, and especially when it's really hot in there, this is going to be the perfect attire. So it's something that I'll be wearing quite a lot, and it's gonna go even really nice with the hat. So that's definitely an option for me. I have stayed again with my Levi's shoes, so I guess I'm definitely taking those shoes with me. And with this outfit, darlings, we have a new way of styling the trim skirt in blue, and I'm actually liking it quite a lot. It's with just a simple white t-shirt, and pair it with your favorite bag, which is mine in this case is the white Coach bag, and it just goes so well together. Stayed with the Levi's shoes because those are my favorite ones at the moment, so I think I'm just gonna be with them for the rest of the video. And let me show you how it's going to look with the hat on. I feel like it's gonna be a really cute one. What do we think? I think it's actually pretty cute if we're walking around during the day when it's sunny, but it's a little bit windy at the same time, so I need to be a little bit more covered up, but I need a hat because it's sunny. I feel like that's such a cute outfit. Even I might be taking my H&M tote bag with me as a additional luggage, so I'll just be carrying it on the side. It's gonna look very cute. So also just wanted to show you what basics I'll be taking with me. So of course my two Zara bodysuits, this in green, the exact same one but in white, because those two you can pair with literally anything. It's comfortable, so I never go without them. A very simple neutral top is always something that comes very handy. Like you can see, you can actually pair it with this skirt too, and it's going to look very cute, especially when you add a little bit of jewelry, my Daniel Wellington watch, and make it a little bit more playful. It works very well, so I might even pop and go and get some more colors from this because they are very handy. And also because I'm going to Bulgaria and you never know if it's going to be raining or a little bit colder at night, I want to have at least one long sleeve, so that's going to be mine. It's the top from Gap, which is again very basic, but it's very soft material, and I'm gonna feel very comfortable when it's a little bit chilly outside. This time I'm going back to blue, and that's the shirt that I got for my previous holiday when we went to Paris, and it's really nice. It's oversized, so I can definitely wear it as a dress, but I can wear it tucked in on one side as well, and I love how it looks when it's an all blue outfit together with my Zara shorts, the oversized shirt, and the blue Coach bag. I just think it's a very cute outfit for going outside in the evening and having just a stroll around looking like this. I'm actually loving it. It's very cute, and if I put the appropriate jewelry, it's gonna look fantastic. So those ones are definitely coming with me. The shirt, I can actually wear it around the pool as well over my swimming suit, so that can definitely be a plus. For this dress, darlings, I do need your opinion. I actually bought it last Christmas. It was supposed to be more of an occasion dress for over Christmas. However, I think it's going to look very cute when I'm in Greece, and it's in white, it's covered all with paillettes, and it's just a very lovely sequined dress. I prepared it again with my Vikki shoes, but I think it's gonna go even better with the high heels. I feel like this is going to be such a cute dress. And even if I manage to find a ribbon from somewhere, a thicker one in white, and I can cinch it in over here, I have basically convinced myself I am taking this dress 100%, and I'll find a time and occasion to wear it. I'm taking it. We have another wonderful Djerf Avenue outfit, and I'm loving this one actually so much, and I haven't worn it outside just yet, so I'm very excited. And I feel like it's more for when I'm in Bulgaria rather than in Greece, because in Greece I feel like you need something a little bit more flowy, a little bit more like on a holiday kind of style. But this is going to be perfect for Bulgaria, especially during the night, because I am always cold, at least a little bit chilly. So it's going to be perfect because you have the open bit of the cardigan, you have the long sleeves, which are breathable, so it's perfection. And I like how it goes with the skirt, and we all know that flats are going to be the thing this summer. And for the whole time being, I need at least one pair of long trousers, so those are going to be the ones. That's the first choice pants from Djerf Avenue in the greyish color. They are very comfortable. I've just shortened them, so they're amazing length at the moment. They're just about right when I'm wearing flat shoes, so they're not dripping on the floor or anything, which is amazing. The top is 100% linen. It's from last year's H&M, however it's extremely see-through, so I need to wear a bra probably underneath, which is a little bit sad because I hate wearing a bra, especially during summer, but or I can hide it with my hair if it just doesn't move, it serves me. And yeah, I'm gonna pair this look with my Coach bag because it's a really cute one. And let's not forget the River Island dress. I'm definitely taking it along with me because it's the cutest thing ever, and it's perfect for when I'm going to Bulgaria. In Greece, not so much, but Bulgaria, 100%. It's such a cute one, and I have few occasions to attend, so I need something a little bit classier and cute at the same time. So I feel like this is going to be the perfect fit because it's comfortable, it's classy. You can pair it with sneakers or with high heels, depending on if I need to walk a lot or if somebody's going to drive me, so we shall see. But that's such a cute one. I decided to go with the beige H&M dress just because it's very simple. You can dress it up in many ways. You can combine it with blue accessories or something neutral, and I think it's the easiest one to put on and off, so that's basically what I need. And I'm going to stick with this one. Maybe I should go and check H&M if they have other dresses as well, but I don't think they've had really nice dresses this summer. Apart from dresses, I'll have to pack up my essentials, which is the shampoo bar, the conditioner bar. Both of them are from L'Occitane, and that's all I'm using whenever I'm traveling. My makeup, I still have a few more days to pack up my makeup actually. My jewelry, which I'm going to take, again, my Monica Vinader case with my initials on it, the cutest thing ever. And I'll be taking just the usuals. I have already showed you in another video what I take on holidays with me. So darlings, that's going to be the end of today's video. I'm going to try and pack everything in one suitcase. If I don't manage, I'll have to purchase another smaller suitcase and figure out what is happening, to be honest. So yeah, I'll end the video here. Let me know if you have any questions about anything in the comments. Sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!